increase your relationship success by more than 85%. Drawing from real expert advice that we use every day with our clients, we'll show you how to achieve greater success, not just in your relationships, but in every aspect of your life. Stay with us to learn how. Think about it, your emotions are like invisible forces. They influence not only your actions, but also the people around you. Are you in control, or are your feelings controlling you? And is someone else who's emotionally intelligent influencing you? Stay with us as we explore 7 key ways to master these powerful forces. You'll learn how to steer your own life, have a positive impact on others, and gain greater success in your relationships. Plus, don't miss out on the link provided to our guided quiz at the end. It'll show you just how strong your emotional intelligence is and highlight areas you might want to strengthen from the tips coming up. Emotional intelligence is basically the skill of understanding and managing your own emotions and recognizing and influencing the emotions of others. It helps you communicate better, resolve conflicts, build great relationships, and achieve your goals. Consider it a master skill for tuning into and navigating the emotional vibes around you, essentially making you a pro at reading the room. Here are some key steps and strategies to help enhance your emotional intelligence. 1. Self-awareness. Reflect on emotions. Spend time identifying what you feel and why. Get to know yourself better. This could be through journaling or meditation. Try to figure out why you react in certain situations or why you like certain things. For example, here is an exercise we use at our offices with clients. We ask, "What is your favorite color?" Once you've answered this, now ask yourself, why? Why is this your favorite color? Many people have not discovered why they like a certain color and just answer, "Because I do." When it comes to our favorite color, if you dig deep, there tends to be an emotion that the color brings to us that helps make it our favorite. Understanding your emotional reactions to different things and situations is crucial. After watching to the end of this video so you don't miss more invaluable tips, go ahead and write down in the comments, what is your favorite color and why? We want to hear from you. Another exercise is to seek feedback. Ask for and be open to feedback from others regarding your emotional responses and interactions. This can provide insight into how you are perceived and how you can improve. 2. Self-regulation. Manage stress. Learn and practice stress management techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness meditation, or yoga to maintain your emotional balance. Here is an exercise that can help. Pause before reacting. Take that moment before you react to reflect. We call this stop. Think. Choose. Give yourself a moment to process your emotions and think things through before responding to a situation. This helps you make a better choice when responding and make more rational decisions. 3. Motivation. Set goals. Set personal and professional goals that are aligned with your values. This increases motivation and provides a clear direction. Stay committed. Even during setbacks, maintain a positive attitude and consider failures as opportunities to learn and grow. Here is an exercise that can help keep you motivated. Positive affirmations really do work. Write a handful of them down on sticky notes and put them around your bathroom mirror. This way, each time you are getting ready for your day and before you go to bed, you will program your mind by reading things like, "I can do hard things," "I attract positive energy into my life," and "I am grateful for my journey and its lessons." 4. Empathy. Practice active listening. Really listen to what others are saying without planning your response while they speak. This helps you understand their perspective and emotions better. Observe nonverbal cues. Pay attention to people's body language, facial expressions, and tone of voice to gain deeper insights into their feelings and reactions. Ask yourself, what emotion is this person feeling right now? Learning how to pick up on how others feel is essential. 5. Social skills. Improve communication. Work on your verbal and non-verbal communication skills to clearly and effectively express yourself and help others feel understood. Handle conflicts positively. Learn conflict resolution skills to handle disagreements constructively without harming relationships. Build relationships. Spend time nurturing relationships by showing interest in others, being supportive, and engaging in positive interactions. An exercise on how to handle conflicts positively is to write down what is the source of the conflict, your feelings, the other person's potential feelings, and possible solutions. This not only gives you that moment to reflect before you react, but also can build empathy and be solution-based. 6. Learning from interactions. Reflect on interactions. After social events or important conversations, reflect on what went well and what could be improved. Then, adapt your behavior. Based on reflections and feedback, make conscious efforts to adapt and adjust your behavior in future interactions. 7. Continuous learning. Read and research. Read books, articles, and studies about emotional intelligence to expand your understanding and gather new ideas for personal growth. And make sure you check out our guided quiz. You'll find the link right here or in the link below in the description. It's a great way to see where your emotional intelligence stands and pinpoint areas you can work on by using the tips just given here. Don't forget to write in the comments what is your favorite color and let us know why. See you next at the Emotional Intelligence Quiz.